Hey guys, getting back to the gazebo, we prepared it for the winter by getting these industrial curtains, which works amazing to keep the elements out. However, we do still access the gazebo, and to do so we have to open and close this particular part of the curtain. And the curtain is on these tracks or rails with hooks, and as we open and close, the curtain slips off of these hooks. It's easy enough to slip the hooks back on, but you do got to get a ladder and it's a little bit inconvenient. So, and here's another example of another hook that popped right off the grommet. So as you can see, there's quite a few of these hooks and eyes. And being a little frustrated with this, I also have the same kind of curtain in the garage, and it's exactly the same behavior. As you open and close the curtain bends a little bit and it pops off the hooks. So I designed and printed these hook clips. They're 3D printed out of PLA. And these simply clip onto the hook, kind of preventing the curtain from slipping off of the hook. So I installed it first in the garage curtain, and as you can see, there's a bit of play. When you maneuver the curtain back and forth, it can slip off the hook. Here's a close-up. And with these hook clips on, the clip prevents the curtain from popping off. I installed the same clips out in the gazebo, and as you can see, it seems to be stable enough this way. The curtain does not pop off the hooks. Hope you like it. If you have any feedback or thoughts, please let me know. If you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. Thank you again.